Hey, my name is Parish Sharkey. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm grateful that I was able to attend Drone Command Live. The experience has been great so far as we head into day two. Damien and Diego are very energetic, very easy to follow. They make the online experience more pleasable, especially for a 10-hour day, right? So you need some guys like that to be energetic, to be knowledgeable of what they know, to keep you engaged for 10 hours, and they are definitely doing that. Being virtual has also helped, even for a case like me, who's still at work, right, throughout the day, so I can still log in on my phone, kind of be on my phone while I'm at work, then get home and finally get in front of my computer and be able to even show my face and actually be able to engage a little more. So it's definitely work. It definitely works with that regard. Also, man, the experience it's really just been great. It's some things that I needed as a person who's been flying drones for 4 to 5 years. This experience has helped me to know what I want to do. I've been, like I said, making money last couple of years doing it, but want to expand and actually become and make it a real business instead of just a sole proprietorship. And that's the reason I decided to join the Drone Command Live event. So I'm thankful for Damien and Diego for everything that they provided so far. Looking forward to the last 2 days of the event. And for anybody who's on the fence about joining, if you are proactive, if you want to really get into the drone business, they definitely outline the steps for you to take to really get those things started. So don't be afraid. One lesson I really have learned so far is like just that. Don't be afraid. I used to play football back in the day. One of my coaches told me, he's like, don't be afraid to be great. And that's how I feel listening to Damien and Diego. Really, just don't be afraid to be great. Be proactive instead of reactive. The drone industry is going to higher places, and this is the perfect time to get into it. So again, thank you for providing us a Drone Command Live, and I'm grateful that I was able to be able to join in this event.